Hi guys, from Barbara and welcome back to my ketogenic channel. Today we are in beautiful Madrid, so we are going to cook a ketogenic Spanish recipe. We will do that in my kitchen in Stockholm because here I cannot cook, but after the dish we are going to visit together this amazing city, so keep watching till the end because it's incredible.
Eso significa que tu cuerpo también me han contado que a ti te gusta lento.
And these are the easy ingredients that you will need to prepare 1 kilo of oxtail: salt, black pepper, yellow onion, 1 garlic clove, laurel leaves, these are dried, then 1 glass of red wine, 1 glass of water, 1 glass of tomato sauce and 1 glass of extra virgin olive oil. That's it. You will not need anything else. So it's a very easy recipe. Let's start by browning our tail, not our tail, the oxtail in some warm olive oil. But before doing that, we should season our meat. Some salt and black pepper will be enough, and this meat will be full of flavor. The original Spanish recipe also put flour, I don't know the pronunciation in English, flour, I will write it down, outside the meat, but we cannot use it. So it will be just salt and pepper. And to avoid having less flavor, I ask my butcher to cut the tail in very thin slices. This is 1 centimeter more or less, and usually the tail is cut in higher pieces. So if you have thin pieces, you also will have more flavor when you brown the meat. Remember to season the tail both sides, but talking about flavor, it's now time to prepare the onion and the garlic. 1 yellow onion for 1 kilo of tail and 1 or 2 garlic cloves, it depends on what you like, will be enough. I have this solo garlic that is 1 piece and it's just 1 clove. I don't know, I only found it in Sweden, but normal garlic will be perfect, so don't worry. And choose depending on your taste. You could also put only the onion, only the garlic. The traditional Spanish recipe has also carrots, but we cannot eat carrots on a ketogenic diet, so I just skip the carrots, and I promise you that onion and garlic are full of flavor and that this tail will taste amazing. Now that the tail is brown both sides, we can put it aside and use the same pan to brown also the garlic and the onion at medium heat. Garlic and onion must be always cooked at medium heat because they must not be burned. Meanwhile, we can prepare the rest of our recipe by putting our glass of extra virgin olive oil in a pressure pot. I use the pressure pot because it's faster, but you can use also a normal pot, and after I will tell you the difference in cooking. So the olive oil, then our tail, our oxtail, after that our glass of water, the red wine, so oil, water, wine, and at the end our glass of tomato sauce. About tomato sauce, I have to tell you that there are huge differences depending on the brands, and you should always read the label and choose the one that has less carbs. finally the laurel leaves, onion and garlic. So it's finished. We can close the pot and leave it cooking at medium heat for 45 minutes, starting from the moment which the steam makes noise in the steam pot, in this pressure pot. But if you use a normal pot, do the same but cooking for 3 hours. So the pressure pot save you a lot of time. And as you can see, the dish is simply perfect. It's really delicious and I highly recommend you to prepare it because it's also super easy to prepare. I hope you like today's recipe and you will come with me to make today's walk here in Madrid. It's really beautiful. And please subscribe so we will meet here every Monday at 2 o'clock Italian time with another ketogenic video in English, but also on Wednesday with the same video at the same time in Spanish and on Friday in Italian. See you soon and thank you all.
A ti te queda pero espectacular. La forma de cómo me hablas pa' mí es tan peculiar. Para ser niños contigo sí me gustaría entrenar, porque haciéndolo contigo me siento fenomenal. Que eso fluya, que me enamore, la culpa es tuya. Cuando me hablas eso a mí me arrulla. Por eso es que quiero más. Quieres más que yo. La Biblia está para el amor. Si estás pa' mí o estás para los demás.